Your mind is only going to allow you to see those trash men. Your mind is only going to allow you to come in contact with those trash men. That's you can't see nothing different. And I know this from experience because I've dated trash men. I've attracted trash men. If I was single right now and I was dating, I'm pretty sure trash men would come my way. But it's all about what do I decide to put my mind on? What do I decide to see? What do I decide to give energy to? That's the thing. What are you going to give the energy to? I can give energy to the trash men that might try to come my way. I can give energy to that and say, oh, all men ain't ish and this and that and with the woo. I can give energy to that all day long. But instead, I decide in my mind and in my world, my reality, I'm going to go ahead and say, no, you know what? I attract men who have character, who have morals, who have integrity, principles that they live by. They have boundaries, they have self respect, they love themselves, because a lot of people don't do that these days. I decide to give energy to that. That's what I attract, period. Period. And so when you develop that mind mindset of I'm no longer going to give the energy to the fact that all these men are trash. I'm going to give energy to the fact that there are actually good men out there. And I can talk about this and speak about this because I've been on both sides. I've dealt with men who are amazing, who are great, who are loyal, who are respectful, who are leaders, providers. I've dealt with it, and I've dealt with the exact opposite. These overly feminine men. I've dealt with the exact opposite. And so that's why I can speak about it. I just don't like people who constantly go around and they say, oh, well, all men are trash, all men are bad, or, dating pool has piss in it, which it does a little bit of piss in it, but depends on where you are in that pool. Okay. But I just can't stand people that are always complaining and they're always saying, oh, well, this person, they just don't know. They just don't want to be a better person for me, blah, 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 or whatever the case may be that they're constantly complaining about. Because instead of complaining, you should be asking yourself, what is it about me that's attracting this low level energy? What is it about me that's attracting this in my life? And that's the thing, why would you even think to come talk to me? It's clearly something that's got to be wrong in the sense that I'm on the same frequency as you for some reason. And so I think like I really can go deeper on this topic. If you guys want a part two of this, of what I'm talking about, let me know in the comments because I could really go deeper in this situation. But I'm gonna say just a few more words and then that's gonna be it. But like I said, people don't like people don't like their partners. People people don't like their partners, and the reason why they don't like their partners is because their partner is nothing but a reflection of who they are internally. You don't like your partner because you don't like that side of who you are. And it's not to say that that side of who you are is bad. It's just the simple fact that you haven't dealt with that side yet. That's the problem. You don't like that person because they show up in a physical form exactly as who you don't like about yourself. So if you don't like somebody that's always lying and or cheating or whatever, blah, blah, maybe say if you was a cheater back in your day or you was a liar, you don't like it because you don't like that about yourself. So you can easily see something in somebody else before you see it in yourself. And that's where a lot of people project. They project